Welcome to the Loughborough University NX tutorial series. This series of tutorial videos will help you to learn the basics of computer-aided design and computer-aided engineering. Use these videos as an aid for learning and practicing CAD outside of lectures, and come back to them when you need help with your coursework and projects. These videos will focus on the Siemens NX11 software, which is used by many leading companies in engineering, including SpaceX, BAE, Airbus, General Motors, and more. Whilst these tutorials use the NX software, much of what you learn will be general knowledge of computer-aided design and engineering as a whole, and can be applied to all other CAD software. The first videos introduce you to NX, the user interface, the most important commands, and creating a new workpiece. We will then go into detail looking at using NX to create 2D sketches of a part, before then creating the 3D model. Then you will see how to create assemblies of parts, creating a finished product that you can render, explode, and analyze. Finally, you will learn how to create two-dimensional engineering drawings of your parts. Now, to get the most practice and be able to learn in your own time, I highly recommend downloading NX onto your personal computer. It can be found on the software page of Learn.